Well, I've been chasing rust here. Everybody knows that's a losing battle, but this cab mount was all rusted out from that point out, and I was just going to replace that part. And that part there was rusted. Now I found a hole here. On this side, I don't know how good you can see it, but I actually replaced the whole floorboard and the top part of the cab mount. And that little piece you see welded in there is actually a patch panel like this, which you can buy for these Dodges to just go over the cab mount where they always rust, which I thought on this side would cover it, but now I'm seeing that after poking around with a screwdriver. So we'll keep at it and bring you back. Got that little piece welded in, kind of the inside of the cab mount and door post there. I'm not replacing all the metal, but just so there's plenty to hold the cabin door up. But I wonder if I just messed up. Dang it. I am impressed with this welder. If you guys can see it, there's a hole right there. It was rusted through. I chiseled it out, so I'm going to see if we can fill it in here. That ain't working. looks like, kind of after the fact. Got primer sprayed on it. I think I'm gonna, maybe this is dumb, but I'm gonna put rubberized undercoating on top of this. But first, I found another problem. I don't know if you can see, that's damp. So, gas tank's leaking. Don't seem readily available, so I was hoping I wasn't going to have problems with it. I mean, the thing looks like new on the outside, but I guess we'll take it out of there and see what we got. Well, I think that's our culprit. We got some stuff we'll try on it and see what we get. We put some steel stick on where I think the pits were. Hopefully it holds. That stuff really sets up fast. But I thought this is interesting. It's a stamp on the tank. I can't read most of it, but 8 of 61. So, and the bottom of the head tank looks like that. After 62 years, 61 years, so it's pretty good, I guess. Sorry, Dodge guys. Like any of them are gonna watch this. guess I'll kind of wrap this up here. I got it done for now. I might do a few more little things to it. But it runs pretty good. I just painted that grill, put some emblems on it. And probably gonna change the front bumpers and just drive the thing. If there's anything interesting that comes up, I guess I'll just video it. Otherwise, I think we're done with it for now. So thanks for watching.